Hello class, welcome to IMOL LMS. Today in basic science, our topic is changes in nature. Now what is changes? When we say changes or change, what is change? Change is when something is altered from its original position or its original state to another. That is basically what change means. So now let's look at it, what we have on the board here, changes in nature. Changes in nature are the alterations or transformations that happen in the natural world. The changes that happen around us in our natural world, that is what we mean by changes in nature. Now, these changes can affect a lot of things. It can affect our physical environment, living things, materials, a lot of things. These changes affect a lot of things in our physical environment. Now, when we say changes in nature, there are two types of changes in nature. Remember, I said change is when something is altered. And as you can see, changes in nature are the alterations or transformations that are made in the natural world. So there are two types of changes. Now we have the temporary changes and the permanent changes. Two types of changes, temporary changes and permanent changes. Now, temporary changes, as the name implies, it can be undone. It is not permanent. It is not for life. When it gets to a certain point, it can be changed back to its original state. That is why I use the word, it can be undone. It can be reversed. We can change back to its original state. Now, examples of temporary changes that we have in nature. One, folding of paper. This is an A4 paper. I can decide to fold it in any shape that I deem fit or like. See, now I've altered the state of the original paper. Now I'm going to undo this back. It has come back to its original state. So folding of paper and unfolding, it's a temporary change. Permanent changes now is a type of change. It's a type of change that cannot be undone. It is irreversible. It cannot be returned back to its former position or to its former state. So now when we say permanent position, we know that permanent changes. So when we say permanent changes, we already know that it cannot be undone. It is for life. You can't change it back. So let's look at examples of permanent changes. We have burning paper. Yes. Now when I say burning paper, this is a lighter and this is a piece of paper. So I'm going to burn this now to show you a typical example of permanent changes. Now, look at this point. I cannot put it back. It can never be fixed back again. It cannot become this edge. The way this edge is, this place cannot come back to this. So this is a good example of a permanent change. I have made this side for life. I can't change it back to this. So it will remain like this. So whoever is saying it, we always see it like this, not like this again. This is an example of a permanent change. Another example of a permanent change is cooking an egg, which is also boiling an egg. You know how we boil egg? Yes. So when you boil an egg, it cannot be undone. You cannot change it back to the position it was before you boiled the egg. The next one on our list is baking a cake. Might be a birthday cake, a Thanksgiving cake, anniversary cake. So it cannot be undone. You cannot take the way the cake appears on the birthday picture or on the wedding table where they are going to cut the cake. You cannot take it back to the state of the ingredients. That is how the flour used to make it, the butter, the sugar, so all the things that make up a cake. You cannot take the cake back to its former position. So another one on our list is rusting of iron. That is metal. Once a metal is in a rusted position, you cannot take it back. You cannot change it back. There is nothing to change it back. It is irreversible. It cannot be undone. And the next on our list is changing in leaves color. Changing in leaves color. Now, our leaves usually appear this way, green. But by the time the plants are harvested or the crops are harvested, it will become this. It will change to yellow. So there is no way you can change this yellow back to green. It cannot be undone. It is done permanently. It cannot be changed, it cannot be undone. So those are the types of permanent changes that we have. There are still a lot of permanent changes, but those are the few we are mentioning in our class for today. So do not forget the types of changes we have. We have the temporary changes and the permanent changes. Remember, temporary changes can be undone. It can be taken back to its former state, while the permanent changes cannot be undone and cannot be taken back to its former state. Thank you. See you in the next class.